The statements made by the Minister of TEATT, I believe it was in a press statement, about the lowering of the impact of the rising cost of fuel, because we have no control on the price of fuel that is imported. We do import that fuel, so we depend on the, let's say, the market prices, etc. The price markups and drops take place. Sometimes it doesn't appear in sync with what's happening, but it depends on the bulk that is available on the island. So based on the price that what is on the island was bought at is how the prices change. While we were in deliberation about how we could bring some relief to the people of St. Martin, it was at that time a scheduled hike was taking place. So that is why on the same day that it was announced a hike is taking place, we're talking about looking to make some savings for the people. That is a process that requires some type of legislation, whether it's a MB, what is that, ministerial regulation or the like, and that is being prepared. The Ministry of TEATT, the ETT department, presented what that buildup is. This is not something that the other ministers deal with on a day-to-day basis, so I wouldn't be able to give any explanation in the price buildup, but there is set prices in terms of the import for the, like say, the bulk, and then towards the smaller, what do you call those people? The vendors that are then selling it. So there's that markup, let's say, and then there's the other markup. So that I believe would contribute to the double, but I would have to confirm that from the Ministry of TEATT. The minister will be presenting how this will be done to the Council of Ministers. This was not done in our Council of Ministers meeting yesterday. There's a process to be able to do that. So hopefully in the coming weeks that will be explained. What government has control over is the amount of taxes. So that is the area where we are willing to take the hit as a government to be able to bring some relief to the people of St. Martin. So that complete explanation, I have asked the minister to have the department prepare and share with the people of St. Martin